want to stop? Like that, those trees are beautiful. I know, I could tell by the way you're. So our first Target vlog.
Oh yeah.
I've never been to a Target before.
Ever.
Never, ever, ever.
It's gonna be the first Target run in a long time.
What did you say?
In a long time.
You used to say you hated Target.
No.
You're like, oh, not Target. Okay, but look at that one down there. Smell that one.
That one's nice.
Alright, smell this one.
I don't like that one.
I don't like it either.
It smells like grandma's
Look at the scent.
salt. It kind of smells like salt.
It does. So pretty. Wow.
These. Wow.
This is what I was talking about. What the heck is
Don't we
this?
still have something like this in
We
storage
do.
from that lady?
Oh, this is a candle holder. Wow, what is this one? Is this one also a candle holder? No, what is this? Like a vase or something, right?
Yeah.
How do we do that? Okay, well it is. Vase, yeah. Wow, that's a pretty vase. Wow, this one is so pretty. I think I can make something like this, right?
Probably.
Look at this. What is it? A fruit bowl? Bowl.
Bowl. Yeah, I would put fruit in it. Got storage in it, right?
It's got storage in it and it turns.
Ooh.
And it, oh, see?
Oh.
Alright, guess how much it is. Don't look.
$30. Oh my god.
Ooh, good, ooh, bad.
Feel them.
They're velvety? Mm.
Yeah, none of them are good except the plum one.
Not good. Not good, not good. Yeah, I like this one, the 3-1. For by my desk?
Yeah.
Cool. You can just go through, I guess.
That's interesting.
You look like you're about to work out with that.
Yeah. Oh, the drink table.
Yeah, okay. Like I would trust my drink on that table. me when I go to the gym.
What pumpkin?
That one, the jack-o'-lantern.
Oh.
Is that gonna be your costume? Ooh! What was it on the other side?
It's like a castle or something, I think.
Oh yeah, like a haunted mansion or something.
Yeah. An entrance to a haunted house.
Yeah. Ooh. They're so little and so cute. You ever have those Mighty Beans when you were a kid?
I don't think so.
Mighty Beans, they're like little magnets.
Sounds familiar.
I said,
Oh, you're the ones that you throw and they like...
yeah. Puppet? Oh.
No, but he's got a giant mouth. You can put stuff in there.
Okay. Look at the horse. Oh. I was choking him. Whoops. Oh. It's just a big piece of cake. You see that one?
This one smells like cake.
Not pumpkin pie?
Sorry, pumpkin pie.
I can't even smell it. Look at this
Just a
one.
little bit. Oh, now I want a pumpkin pie. Can we just get a pumpkin pie? Do you think they have it? Ooh.
Oh, you have to smell the very top. Ooh, 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 ooh. That's nice. What scent is that?
Pumpkin. Pumpkin pancakes.
Pumpkin pancakes. I like it. Forgot about that part.
Yeah. Oh.
At the light, turn right onto Dutcher Road.
A seat cushion, a new hair clip, like speeding through this. For chamomile lawn. There you go.
Thank you.
And they didn't have a Starbucks inside, so now we're gonna go get coffee.
Thank you.
Want some?
Two-year warranty for all batteries and cordless vacuum machines. Spool over here.
This one?
Yep, and then also the box that's on my desk.
Thank you. Thank you. How's yours?
Good.